just got back from the markets.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Brittonshawfx once again.
I need help. I think you did take this sand toys in the bed.
Father, do these calls. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brittonshawfx. Back at it again. Journey on the charts. Right now, we're going through this journey of becoming a funded trader. In the last video, I did part one. It was me just basically giving y'all an introduction on how I'm taking this test once again, or exam once again. And I'm circling the block on this journey to become a funded trader. And hopefully it inspires y'all. Excuse me if I'm out of breath. Just helping my wife with the kids. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna just start off by saying this is crazy just by me doing this. This is the first time I really did not feel like doing a YouTube. I'm like, this sucks. You know, this journey has been a roller coaster, but I will say I'm way better at my psychology, my strategy, my disciplines. I'm just pleased with myself. Not too fond of my results yet, but I still have time just from what I've seen on the markets. It's definitely doable to make 8% in a week. This go around, I can see my growth. There's a number of things when it comes to being a trader, of course. You got the three elements: psychology, risk management, and strategy. But the fourth element I've heard Nick Sean talk about, and I've seen on the markets how I've been utilizing this one a lot more. And that's, and it's heightened, I think, because I took a month break after I lost my last account. So this last element, I would say the four elements, this last element is intuition. You know, you've been on the markets long enough. You've seen the ups and downs. I've been through uptrends. I've been through downtrends. I've been in consolidation. I've been in ranges. And now I've seen it enough to know, okay, I've seen that before, or nah, don't take that trade. And this is dope because it's helped me in the long run when it comes to this. So I'm 2 weeks in, and let me just go through my results real quick. So first week I ended off only 0.3% up. That's cool. You know, that's actually a victory. Yeah, let's go. Because my first week of my first challenge, I was down bad. Down bad. And just seeing the growth in that, like not letting the losses really take me out the game. Yeah, it was, I'm just proud of myself when it comes to staying with the strategy, sticking to it, and staying in the game. Second week, I'm only up, I'm really basically break even. So I'm still at 100,000, which I'm not really happy with because I was up 1%, got a loss, and got dropped down to like 0.5%, but still in the game, like not in the negative. Let's clap it up for that. Let's clap it up for that, y'all. Yeah, thank you. First week, I was up like $600. I'll go for a 1-to-1, which is 1% of 100,000, which is 1,000. And I was up going for a 1-to-1, and I just jumped out like around $600 because I was excited. Day two comes around, and the market is going up, but it does a pullback and kills me off. But I got out early. And this is one of the points I want to make. The best bet, 1 to 2 trades a day, period. And this is the prep talk I had myself. So I was getting into revenge trading, and then I was just like, you know what? Nip it in the butt. I think I took 2 trades, took 2 L's, and now I'm down that day. So starting off a little rocky. I think Wednesday came around. I came into the day clear-minded, clear-headed, got that back, and I was up a little bit. And then I ended the week off. So I took 3 trades first week. And that wasn't too bad. You know, I was hype. I ain't gonna lie, hype about that. So point number 2 is watch your thoughts after you're done trading, you know, win or loss. You know, by losing, I saw that when I took an L, I was cool. I walked away from the trades. I was disciplined. But what used to really mess me up, and what I saw I was doing this go round of the exam, is I would start creeping up on YouTube, watching YouTubes. And that's the killer, man. Just stay focused. You want to find, it's like that person in me still wants to find the golden egg. Like, why did I lose today? Cause you lost, man. Like, it's okay. Like, you don't even gotta tweak nothing. It's just come back tomorrow strong. So that was one thing that I saw that I started doing that I had to stop. I was like, you know what? Turn YouTube off. And what I do, I find something that keeps me like in a deep thought process away from trading. So I play chess. Something that is just as like thought driven. I'm like, let me play some chess on my app on my phone and just zone out. And so that's what I do. Find something, and this is just advice to y'all, find something that like you love to do just as much as trading that don't take a lot, and just like do something. Play video games, play something. Just go do something and get your mind clear so you're ready for tomorrow. My first day in the week 2 of this, I took an L, which was cool. I was just like, all right, cool, whatever. It stung, but I was down a little bit. So these 2 weeks kind of been like, I've been teetering this $100,000 mark. I can't get away from it. And that's been a big challenge of mine. But it's okay. So Monday comes around, took an L. Tuesday, got it back. Wednesday, now I'm up 1%. I'm hyped. There it is again. So point number 2, once again, is watch yourself. In the losses, don't creep up on YouTube trying to tweak your strategy. But in your wins, make sure you're not just like daydreaming about that win. Like, oh man, that was the glorious trade. Like be happy, but just go into the next day knowing that it could get taken, and stay focused. Like Kobe don't just shoot his shot and be like, yeah, that was what's up. Like he just kept shooting his shot. So just keep riding that wave, man, and keep making sure your energy is like solid. So when you go in the next day, you're ready for the next go round. So I'm up, and then Thursday comes around. I get up a little bit, little revenge starts creeping in again. I want more. Little greed start creeping in. So I chop that down to 0.5%. So I'm up 0.5% instead of 1%. Friday comes around, and that got taken. And that was I'm pretty disappointed about that trade, because, and that's why I said this is a hard video, because I really was up. I wanted to get to 2%, man. And I was like, this would be lit if I could at least get to 2% do my YouTube. And I'm like, yo, I'm up. And a little greed kicked in, you know, like I could have just took what I had. I was up 1.5%, and I saw the market started fluctuating and started to turn around a little bit, but I was just so gung-ho on it going further. And that was another lesson, you know, take what you can out of the market. You know, I did say before, stick to your strategy, stick to your risk management, but also adapt. You know, if you see the market turning around, and you know it's turning around, get what you got out of the market and be okay with it. Like if the market turns back around and goes your way, be okay with what you got, because 9 times out of 10 you jump back in, it does a little fluctuation, and then now you all over the place again. You jump out and you lose money, and it keeps going your way. It's just too much, man. And it was like that was that point where I was like, all right, I need to nip that in the butt. Greed, watch my thoughts, sticking to my strategy, stick to that trade. Place your trade, analyze, place your trade. And then once you place that trade, once you place it, you gave it to the market. You like, here. That's the only way I can visualize me doing something and just being okay with it. And just breathe through it. You know, I started meditating more, because I'm like, I started feeling like when I gave the trade to the market, I stopped breathing. I was like, you know, breathe through it. Like really relax. Allow it to do what it does. It's like a plant. It's like my children. Just allow it to grow. You know, you can adapt that way. Monitor it. I haven't got that strong at monitoring my trades yet. I'm still working on it. But that's the best thing you could do when it comes to these evaluations. You want to lose small and win big, right? So in the beginning, I was just like, all right, I'm gonna let it hit my TPs to get that muscle up, and then I'm gonna start monitoring it. And yeah, I'm still struggling with that. I'm not even gonna lie. That's just me being transparent, just managing my trades. You just gotta breathe through it and allow it to do what it does, you know. Trust yourself. You have to trust yourself on these markets. You put in the work, you put in the time, you did what you had to do. And I have to tell myself that every single day. I'm getting to 108,000. I'm gonna speak it into advance. And yeah, I've learned a lot, and I'm proud of myself. I'm way better than I did the first go round. So yeah, let me do that. Also, I'd like to shout out everybody watching, man. I'm super hyped The last video that I did on my journey on starting it reached 100 views, and I think that's a big accomplishment, man. We're gonna clap it up real quick, man. Yeah, that was only my 3rd video. So we making progress. I see the YouTube algorithm showing me love, so I thank y'all. Please continue to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so when I drop more of the part 3, 4, 5, 6, and when I get funded, you can get all those notifications, because I will be getting funded, man. I'm gonna just speak that into advance. I will be getting funded, and when I get funded, I'm gonna drop some merch that y'all can buy. You can make sure it's dope and it's lit for y'all. You went to the park? All right, baby, close the door for me, okay? Nah. All right, so yeah, when I get funded, we're gonna do the merch, man. And then we're gonna mess around. I might mess around and have a party. You get to meet the little ones. Look, she ready for the camera. Yeah, man, I thank y'all for tuning in once again. It's your boy Brittonshawfx, Journey on the Charts, and I'll see y'all in part 3. You never know, I might be funded next time you see me.